Hi, this is Josh with MarineMax in New York. Today we're looking at our newly arrived Aviara 32 OB. This boat just came into our location here in Huntington, and what a unique boat it is. So you step aboard, first thing you see is twin 350 Mercury Verado 4-stroke motors. Large swim platform, even with the outboard option, plenty of room to get around. Nice access door for the transom here to get in. You'll see a large sun pad. The sun pad's very unique. Lots of storage. Notice the placement of the battery switches. Very smart, easy to access when you get on the boat. Seats do a couple unique things. All three fold up into a lounge like that. And then unique to Aviara are these neat bench stools. You can sit on those bench stools when you're anchored and enjoying the water, watching people in the back swim. Really neat invention they have here. You also notice the sea decking is unique, the pattern to Aviara. You won't see this in any other boats. So come aboard, notice plenty of room into the cockpit. This particular boat has the unique black vinyl. They use a new material that's very cool to the touch, even on hot days. Pull out fridge. Nice drawer to store things when you're on the water. Also note, it's really nice insulated cooler. Drains off board. Speaking of coolers, another custom branded Aviara cooler in seat. Plenty of storage under all these seats as we walk around. Notice how they finish the underneath the seats with their logo. Very cool, very unique. Let's come forward to the helm. The first thing you see is this boat is joystick piloted. That's definitely an advantage. Large display screens. On the right you have SimRad, which is all your motor data. In the middle, large Garmin GPS. All the bells and whistles that come with that model. And then really unique here, they have control board on the left. You can control your windlass, your sunshade, your engine compartment. Also really cool is there's a lighting feature. Change the color of your accent lightings. Stereo on this thing is just tremendous. It's clipped stereo. Each zone can be controlled individually. USB hookup. Speaking of the stereo, look at all these speakers. These are made to reflect towards the captain when he's driving. Also in the tower, giant subwoofer underneath the chair. Another one in the seat. Another one in the tower. Not to be left out. Two more in the bow. While we're up here, you notice plenty of room to seat. Comes with the filler cushions. This could be removed. Table underneath. Boat is equipped with the windlass. Look how they finished the inside of that. Just brilliant. You don't see that on every brand. Wash down in case your anchor gets dirty. You have controls here. You also have the remote control. Just really well thought out. Notice how deep this bow is. Definitely feel safe when you're out here riding in this bow with kids or friends, family, whatever. Got grab rails here. Giant windshield. Plenty of protection when you're underway. You also have the door here if you want to close the bow off and give you even more wind protection. Notice the size of this head for a 32-foot boat. It's just really impressive. Plenty of room, storage behind those cabinets. Other thing unique, lots of unique things about this boat. The window stops short, makes it easy for the captain to reach out, grab the lines, tie off. All the hardware on this boat is painted black, not typical stainless that you normally see. Again, another unique feature. This boat's really spectacular. You just have to come out and see it. Alright, now we're going to step off and check out the outside. So you stand outside looking at the front of the bow. Just notice how deep this bow is. It's going to give you a really safe and secure ride, even when the waves are getting a little choppy out there. Black hull, unique white accent stripe, runs the length of the hull. Notice the underwater lighting, trim tabs, Mercuries. It's just a really, really great boat. If you'd like to see this boat in person or have any questions, give us a call down here at MarineMax, Huntington, New York. Thank you.